I wanted to clean up my French clock here that I bought at the flea market while I was in Springfield. So with the movement out of the case, I'm going to take some new Life Furniture and clean it up. So there's a before picture, and we're going to go ahead and use a paintbrush and apply it to the case. And again, here's the directions. It says here's the directions. It says apply mask gently with fingertips, allow to sit for 5 minutes, and wipe off thoroughly. Wipe dry. In case of damaged finishes, stubborn dirt or wax buildup of 1/8 inch or more, rub with 4O steel wool very softly and gently so finish will not be harmed. Repeat if necessary. Removes water, marks, rings, grime, etc. Be sure to remove all mask from surface and always leave on only long enough to clean. And then step 2, follow up with New Life wood moisturizer to complete the cleanup. Well, I don't have step 2 and I'm not going to purchase it, but you can purchase this container, which is 16 ounces, from their webpage for about $27 to include shipping. So I'm going to go ahead and use a paintbrush and apply it, and we'll come back when I got it all done. I'm even cleaning up the inside of the case as well. I believe that the wood needs moisturizer to preserve it, so I even do the insides of the case wherever there's wood, and using a rag to apply it in big areas. The paintbrush is used to get the hard to reach places, but when possible I use a rag. And if you watch my other videos, I used to use Old English oil. A friend of mine uses this stuff. I bought it. I also have a Howard bead and wax. I like all three items, but because I spent the money on this, I will use it until I don't have any more. And then I still have the Howard bead and wax, and I'll use that until I don't have it anymore. The Howard bead and wax you can buy at Menards. Old English oil works really well, and you can buy that pretty well anywhere. Like I said, this product you have to purchase it off their webpage. And he found out about it through one of the clock chapter meetings that he went to, and so he likes it. He takes his clocks apart to clean up the cases. And like I said, he does a really great job. I typically don't take the clocks apart to clean up the cases. I do it as quickly and as easily as I can. Now these finials that are inside this case, some of them are broken, but I'm not going to replace them because they're original. I'm just going to take some wood coloring and color them in. But I hope you all are liking this video. Please hit the subscribe button. And can't forget about the dial. It needs cleaned up too. I'm not really sure what these numbers are made out of. And the dial has got a name here of some sort. I'm going to take these screws out and see, because I don't know whether that name is on backwards. I really don't know. There's a number up here. So I'm going to take the screws out and explore. Here's the back of the dial. And this plate was only screwed on for these 3 posts that goes into the movement. And then here's back of the dial plate, and here's the back of the dial itself. The numbers are attached using this wax. Pretty cool how they did it. And there's some kind of signature, 784, possibly the year, 1884 maybe. But like I said, the movement has got a stamp on it that shows 1855. I got the dial plate all back on. It looks a lot better. I wish I could read that name. It looks like HOWZ or HEUZ, or I can't really tell. Maybe somebody will know. But it's looking better. In this little bag attached to the clock is the top finials, which are broken, but I will clean those up also, and maybe drill this out and put another dowel like this one inside here. Now here I got the case all shined up. I got the dial all shined up. I have the movement ticking away. I had to replace the suspension spring because it was broken, but the movement's ticking away, and all I have to do is solder the hammer for the gong back onto this clock movement, and I really am not very good at doing that, so wish me luck. I hope y'all like this video. Hopefully in the next video I have the thing up and running, put all back together, but like I said, I have to figure out how to put the gong back on. Those are the weak portions in the French clocks, the antique French clocks. But please hit that subscribe button, and God bless.